Welcome to SC Custom Design. So we are getting to the point in the stairwell project where it's a point of no return where I need to go ahead and glue up um, semi-permanently, the frame. And in the journey, we've been putting these V's in there, which give us this really cool antiquish sort of look. And when this piece here is in place, uh, it's either high or low, and so it wasn't allowing me to get in there efficiently. And so what I've been doing is running in and cleaning up, going to the ends, whatever, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same here because I was hitting, like I said, all kinds of nonsense. And so at any rate, now, so here's what we're going to do. A lot of vulnerability came in there because where I routed for the plexiglass, now there's this huge space in there. And when I go to join this piece to this piece, we don't have much to join to. And it isn't flat, too. So here's what I'm doing. I'm just making these little shims here, and I'll put them in. I'm going to glue them in right now. And that's going to give me a flat space, some more wood from here to here to go ahead and make a more secure situation. So that's going to make me feel a lot better about that. So I just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because I have another panel. And that other panel is here. Okay. And then this guy doesn't need any help. This is the raised panel. Okay, so he's fine. So basically just 8. All right, real quick video, believe it or not. I'm going to go ahead and stop it there. I'm going to use the good old Gorilla Glue here, wood glue, and get that done. All right, thanks.